How to add a shipping address on Amazon. Moving or want to send a gift? This guide shows you how to add a shipping address on Amazon so you can ship your orders to a new location. First, open the Amazon shopping app and go to the main menu. Tap on your account and go to your account settings. In your account menu, look for your addresses section and tap on it. Scroll down until you find it, right here. On your addresses page, you'll see a button that says add a new address. Tap on it and you'll be able to enter the new address details, including recipient's name, street address, city, state, and a zip code. Make sure all the information is accurate. Once you've entered all the details, tap on add address and save it. You can also check the box that says may this be my default address if you want this to be your primary shipping address. You can also edit your addresses from this menu. You now know how to add a shipping address on Amazon. Get ready to ship your orders to a new location. Like and subscribe for more app tips.